What's up, everybody? It's your boy Doom, and I'm back with another video. So, pretty much what we got today, boys and women, is I'm just going over my plan to be able to get out my job from trading, right? So, we starting off like this, right? Getting a 50K account, prop firm. Um, I'm gonna say, I feel like honestly, you need either 2 to 3 prop firm accounts or prop firm fundeds, right? 3 of those I feel like would be able to give you a nice amount of money, at least to be able to get you out your job, full time, right? So for me specifically, right, this is just basically this will be 150,000, right? That looks terrible. Hold on, 150,000, right? Boom. So that's 3 accounts, right? Knowing that most 50Ks are like about $2,000 drawdown or something like that, I think $2,000 drawdown. And the way prop firms work, you only get to use like 10% of that, for like risk or whatever. I don't know what that is. You don't have to know either, right? So pretty much you'll be risking $200, $200. I know it looks bad, boys. Hold on. Pretty much you get to risk $200, which is 10% of 2,000 each trade, which gives you 10 chances to actually make something happen. Um, or 10 chances, basically, like if you lose 10 times, your account's gone. You basically get 10 opportunities, consecutively at least. So, boom. And that's for 3 accounts. So, in all, you actually have 2,000 or 6,000 with 10% being divided from that is 600. Right. So, you'll be pretty much risking $600 to make 1 or 2 for myself. 1 or 2, either 1 or 3. 1 or 2 would just be $1,200, right? So that's the possibilities from having just a 350K accounts and just pretty much copy trading those or however you want to do it. So boom. So that's my plan to be able to get out. That's not the full plan. Hold on, boys, but that's like just the risk plan at least so far, right? Get 3 accounts funded. Now from there, go 200 to 400. 1 or 2, catch a 1 or 2. Or if you want to go slower, which honestly I'm to the point where like I realize that really just slow gains is what really is gonna get you there. And for Top Step specifically, that's what I plan on doing, and using for Top Step specifically, you have to get $200 in a 5 day period or whatever, not consecutive, but like 5 days in a month or 5 days in 2 week span or whatever, right? 5 days in a month will allow you of $200 will allow you to get a payout, right? So me knowing that I can actually risk $100 and just make 200 on all accounts and just pull out 600 for a day. And if you do the math on that, let's say we do 600 okay, wait. Let's go back, right? So pretty much I make about 3,000. I make like $3,200 a month, right, for my job. So this is how much I need to replace. So for me to make $3,200 a month from trading 350K accounts, risking 200 a trade, and all risking $600 a trade, looking for 1 or 2. So if I take one trade, I make $1,200, right? That is in one day. What? How much is that? I don't know, like a third of the amount, right, or something like that, right? That's like just less than half, right? So, but That's a big chunk of my full, amount that I need every single month, right? If this is about I'm making every month, right? $600. So let's say we win two trades in a row. Stupid. If we win two trades in a row, that'd be $1,200 or 20. What? $2,400. I'm sorry, guys. $2,400, right? That $2,400 would be in two trades because you're risking 600 to make 1.2 thousand. You do that twice, 2,400, right? And that is more than half of what I need, right? So realistically, I would just honestly be looking for either 2 days, two winning days a week, and I'll be able to meet my goal and go even further than my goal. So that's this is with two winning days back to back, right? So if I can get either one win, which is 1,200, or at least two, will be 2,400, and I'm gonna look for 3,200 for the week, or 3,200 for the month. Either way, it's like as long as I make at least one trade a win, and in the actual week off with the W, then I'll be up for the month. Like even more than actually I'm making now. Every if I make $1,200 every week, be $4,800, and that is $1,600 more than what I make now, right? So, see, simple, right? That's pretty much it. Like, risk $600, risk $600. Look for one to two, expecting to um, hopefully get $600 for the day. If I do that 2 days, or am I stupid? Hold on, boys. Let me revamp. Go back. I'm expecting to get 1.2 for the day, risking $600. So, I mean, it's that simple. That's simple. I know I kind of got lost a little bit there, boys, but pretty much taking 350Ks from Top Step, right? 150,000 pretty much in all, risking 100 to make 200 or 200 to make 400. Wait, boys, I just wait 4 yeah, 200 to make 400 on all three accounts to either make $1,200 a trade or make $600 a trade. Is that right? Yeah. Because 100, yeah, $600 trade or $1,200 trade. So it kind of depends on what you guys want. Overall, it's game. It's a long term game. So even if let's say you just risk half of that, right? $100 a trade. That's $600 if you win a trade because you're risking $300 to make 600. So let's say you win two trades back to back, you still have 1,200. Like that's pretty good, especially if you're only making 3,200 a month. I mean, come on now. So that's still $1,200 right there if you win two trades back to back. Now, just the opportunity or the fact that I can possibly make, 4,800 or make uh what like a couple thousand in a week is kind of insane, risking $200, right? Kind of wild. So me just being able to get out my job making 3,200 a month, trying to make at least that or more. I mean, come on now. I feel like with these prop firms, as long as I stick to my plan and literally risk the same amount, I wouldn't. It should be fine. I wouldn't have any problems. So maybe just emotional things have to, you know, come into play, of course, because this is trading. But other than that, bro, I feel like it's gonna be pretty smooth sailing if I just stick to this. Just get 350Ks. Like if I want to go for more, I can, and risk even less. Let's say I have four or five, I can just risk even less, and literally just keep the accounts the whole year, right? But if I'm just trying to specifically like use this just to get at my job or um, you know, make enough money to eventually get out my job, if I can make this or more monthly, add up to be able to, you know, then maybe get a better job or whatever, how things go. But if I'm just trying to do this specifically to get out my job, that can definitely work. Um, but or if I just want to literally double my income. So yeah, it's pretty much the plan. Pretty simple. Uh, Pretty much you're risking 150 bucks of your real actual capital, your money that you work, because it's $50 each month on Top Step for 3 accounts. Then, not including the 150 activation fee. So let's say you got the activation fee as well. All 3 activation fees times 3, that's 450 bucks, right? Let's say you pass it a month. That's 50 times 3, which is 150. So you got 450 plus 150. You got $600, right? $600. Let's say you have 600 bucks, and you can literally get funded in a month out of $600. Pay everything back. Now you got $150,000 in funding capital. And come back to this video, know what you're doing, get you 3 of them. Okay, cool, you got 3 of them. Now you know, okay, whatever you're making at your job currently right now, all you need to do is try to replace that amount or make even more. If you just want to double your income, or if you just want to try to replace your job trading only. Um, personally, I want to replace my job from trading, but I need to make more money than that. Like I need to make double or triple the amount of this to actually like want to leave my job. Now, if I just want to try to double my income, this is perfect. So, but yeah, $600 risk to possibly make you know thousands a month. More than your job, possibly. Whatever, right? Extra amounts. So it's just great risk reward if you can stick to your plan. Just be disciplined. I mean, get funded. These 3 accounts. You can take it as slow as you want. You don't have to speed through it. Like I just told you guys, you can just do 300 to make 600. I mean, come on now. Like, let's say you just hit 2 days in a row, you have 1,200. Let's say you hit 3 days in a row, you're at 1,800. Like, you can take a payout every 2 weeks. Let's say every week you get at least one trade. That's $1,200 for the 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Like, my paycheck's probably like 1,500 bucks, right? Then I get paid an extra. Let's say from a Top Step, I also get a withdrawal of $1,200. That's 2,700 bucks right there. Like, come on now. That's great, especially at my age. I'm 20. But yeah, boys, that's pretty much it for the video. Get your 350K accounts, and pretty much just pass them. Risk 100 or risk $200. Go for 1 to 2. Stack it up until you're able to get like almost, I don't know, like 20% of the actual amount that you need, that you get monthly, 20% of that in one trade back to you, and you'll be able to make for sure that amount a month. Like, if I was getting 20% of 3,200 in one day, I'll for sure be able to get to this, I feel like, in a month. But yeah, boys, that's about it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Continue to go through the channel, watch things, also, just let me know what you guys want to see, hear about, learn about, whatever. And yeah, that's about it, boys. Um, Happy New Year's, and tune in to more videos, and just please let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm literally just coming up with everything. All right, boys. Peace.